Dear students, today we discuss about outline classification of chordates. This topic for students of MSc Final Zoology and include in paper first Biology of chordates. As you know, according to five kingdom classification that proposed by R.H. Whittaker in 1969, the all living world divided into five kingdom: Monera, Protista, Fungi, Plantae and Animalia. Kingdom Animalia or animal kingdom further divided into 10 major phyla: Porifera, Coelenterata, Platyhelminthes, Eschelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata. We finally discussed the outline classification of phylum Chordata. Animals including in this phylum show three basic fundamental features like: number 1, presence of dorsal notochord or nerve or vertebral column; second, presence of hollow dorsal nerve cord; third, presence of pharyngeal gill slits. Phylum Chordata divided into two groups on the basis of presence or absence of cranium or skull. Group first, Acrania or Protochordata. In this group, cranium or skull is absent. Therefore, they are also known as lower chordates. And the other group, Crenata or Euchordata. In this group, cranium is present, so also known as higher chordates. Acrania or Protochordata divided into two subphylum, Urochordata and Cephalochordata. Urochordata or Tunicata subphylum further divided into three classes: Acidiaceae, Thaliaceae, Larvaceae. Example of Acidiaceae are Acidia, Hardmania, Siona. Example of Thaliaceae: Doliolum, Salpa, Pyrosoma. And example of class Larvaceae is Oicopleura. Other subphylum Cephalochordata include single class Leptocardi, and the example of this class is Amphioxus or Bronchiostoma. The other group of phylum Chordata is Crenata or Euchordata. In this group has single subphylum Vertebrata. Animals including in the subphylum Vertebrata have vertebral column, means in these animals notochord replaced by vertebral column. Subphylum Vertebrata further divided into two divisions on the basis of presence or absence of jaws and paired appendages. First, Agnatha. In this division, jaws absent, and this division further divided into two classes: Ostracodermi and Cyclostomata. Class Ostracodermi completely extinct, they have bony armor, and other class Cyclostomata living in present time. Cyclostomata means, cyclo means rounded or circular, stomata means mouth, means these animals have circular or rounded mouth. Class Cyclostomata divided into two orders: Petromyzontia and Myxinoidea. In order Petromyzontia included lampreys like Petromyzon, and in order Myxinoidea include hagfishes like Myxine. In other hand, the division Gnathostomata have fully developed jaws, and this division divided into two superclasses, Pisces and Tetrapoda. Superclass Pisces further divided into three classes, Placodermi, Chondrichthyes and Osteichthyes. Class Placodermi completely extinct in present time. Class Chondrichthyes, also known as cartilaginous fishes, because their endoskeleton made up of cartilage, shark, rays, scats include in cartilaginous fishes. And the other class, Osteichthyes, also known as bony fishes, because their endoskeleton made up of bones, lung fishes, fin ray fishes, lobe-finned fishes, carps, sturgeons included in the bony fishes. In other hand, superclass Tetrapoda. Tetrapoda means tetra, four, poda limbs, means they have two forelimbs and two hind limbs. And superclass Tetrapoda divided into four classes, Amphibia, Reptilia, Apes and Mammalia. First class of Tetrapoda, superclass Tetrapoda, Amphibia. Amphibians are those animals which habitat in both aquatic and terrestrial habitat. This class divided into two subclasses, Stegocephalia, that is completely extinct, and other subclass Lysamphibia, that is living in present time. Subclass Lysamphibia further divided into three orders, Apoda, Urodela and Anura. In order Apoda include legless amphibians like ichthyophis. In order Urodela included salamanders, newts, and in order Anura included frog and toads. Other class Reptilia divided into five subclasses, Anapsida, Eurypsida, Parapsida, Synapsida and Diapsida. Anapsida has single order Chelonia, in which turtles and tortoise included. Eurypsida subclass completely extinct in present time. Parapsida also completely extinct in present time. Synapsida completely extinct in present time. And subclass Diapsida included three orders, Rhynchocephalia, Squamata and Crocodilia. In order Rhynchocephalia included Sphenodont tetra, that found in New Zealand only. And in order Squamata included snakes and lizards. And in order Crocodilia included alligators and crocodiles. Further class apes or birds is divided into two subclasses, Archaeorhynches and Neorhynches. Archaeorhynches completely extinct. The example is the Archaeopteryx lithographica, that is a fossil connecting link between reptile and apes. Subclass Neorhynches also divided into four superorders, Odontognathi, that is completely extinct, Paleognathi or Ratiti order, in which flightless birds like ostrich, emu, kiwi, rhea included, and third order Impani. In this order, aquatic birds like penguins included, and the fourth order Neognathi. In this order, all living modern words are included. Last class of superclass Tetrapoda is class Mammalia, and this class divided into two subclasses, Prototheria and Metatheria. Subclass Prototheria and Theria. Subclass Prototheria has single order Monotremata, and animals included in the order Monotremata: egg-laying mammals. Example: duckbill platypus, tachyglossus, etc. And other subclass Theria further divided into two infraclasses, Metatheria and Eutheria. Metatheria has single order Marsupialia, in which Macropus opossum included, and the other infraclass Eutheria included true placental mammals, and 16 orders of true placental mammals included in infraclass Eutheria. Dear students, as you seen, we study or discuss the outline classification of chordates. That is very important for the exam point of view. Thank you.